Hello everyone and welcome to this video lecture on Introduction to Quality and Quality Tools. It is the part of unit number 4 of Metrology and Quality Control. In this lecture, we will cover what is meant by quality and the various definition of the quality, history of quality methodology, Demeans Principle, Taguchi contribution, total quality management, quality improvement tools, costs related to quality, and benefits and drawbacks. So we'll first, what is quality? So in this slide or in the picture you can recognize various pictures. So you'll feel that which picture is clear, and you can say that the quality of the picture. So quality can be defined as effective system for integrating the quality development, quality maintenance, and quality improvement effort of the various group in the organization so as to enable production and services at the most economical level, which allows customer satisfaction. So in this picture the picture is not clear or the somewhat blur, so you can predict the quality of the picture. So as like in case of product, any technical product, in that case the quality is an important for the customer end. So if you see that, what does the word quality mean? You think about your past experience staying at various hotels. Did you stay at a quality hotel? What about the experience made it a quality experience for you? Think about a product you brought. How can you define its quality? Everybody knows, or everybody operating the mobile phone. So this is one of the technical product in everybody hand. So the quality of the mobile, that can be defined on the basis of various factors like camera, then storage, then battery backup. So likewise you can predict various areas of quality. So as far as the the dimensions of quality, there are various dimensions as I told you earlier. As your mobile is defining based on performance, based on reliability, based on durability, based on serviceability. So performance is nothing but will the product services do the intended job, that is called the performance of that particular quality. It is one of the dimension. Then reliability, how often does the product or service fail? So reliability is one of the dimension. Then durability, how long does the product will be giving the service last? And last one is serviceability, how easy to repair the product to solve the problem in the service. So this is the another dimension of quality that can be product produced by the customer end. Then another is aesthetic. What is the aesthetic look of the product? Then smell of the product, sound, feel. So these are the again another dimension of the quality that can be based on the defining the quality. Then features, as I told you, in case of mobile, what is the battery backup, what is the camera clarity. So these features that also important for the dimensioning of the quality. Then perceived quality, what is the reputation of the company, like the iPhone. So the if you purchase the iPhone product, in that case the reputation of the company is another dimension of the quality. Then performance to standard, conformance to standards in the product or the service made exactly as the designer standards intended. So the standard which that company is going to following is another dimension of the quality. So these are the dimension based on that any customer can be predict the definition of quality. Then quality in the different area of society, as the area is airlines. For example, on time the aircraft is taking your service. Then comfortable low cost services in the healthcare. If you go any healthcare services, the correct diagnosis, minimum wait time, then lower cost security. If you go any food services like hotel, so good product, fast delivery and good environment. So these are some area and the example based on that quality of different areas of society like postal service, academia, consumer product, insurance, military, automotive, and communication. So these are some areas of society on which the quality can be predicted. So what is meant by quality? Again, the conformance to specification, British Defence Industrial Quality Assurance Panel, the conformance to requirement, that is Philip Crosby. These are the first two definition by the British Defence and the Philip Crosby. Fitness for purpose or use. The Juran is very famous scientist. Juran is predicting the quality definition is fitness for purpose or use. Another definition by Edward Deming is that a predictable degree of uniformity and dependability at low cost and suited to the market, that is called the quality. The Edward Deming defining that. Then various definitions is coming out based on the thinking level. The total composite product and service characteristics of marketing, engineering, manufacturing, and maintenance through which the product and service in use will meet the expectation by the customer. That is another definition of quality. If you look at the various definition, the degree to which a system, component or processes meet the specified requirement and customers or user need or expectations. So IEEE define the definition of quality that the degree to which a system, component or process meet the totality of feature and characteristics of a product or service that bears on its ability to satisfy stated or implied needs. The ISO 8402 defines the definition of quality, the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfills requirement. ISO 9000 and 2000 is predicting the definition of quality. So these are various definition of quality. So we'll move towards the realistic but demanding standards. So getting things right first time. It costs less to prevent a problem than it does to correct it. So modern importance of quality. In the modern importance of quality, Williams Cooper Proctor is defining the first job we have is to turn out quality merchandise that consumers will buy and keep on buying. If we product it efficiently and economically, we will earn a profit. So the modern importance of the quality is that you have to predicting the product depending on the customer requirement at economically lower cost and at a required time. So these are the modern importance based on the considering the modern parameters of quality. Then history of quality and methodology. So reach back into antiquity, specifically into China, India, Greece, and the Roman Empire, skilled craftsmanship. So industrial revolution at the 18th century, need for more consistent product that are produced and it needed to be interchangeable, rise of inspection after manufacturing and separate quality department and the completion of the particular product. So this is the methodology of quality. Science of modern quality methodology stated by R.A. Fisher perfected scientific shortcut for shifting through mountains of data to spot key cause and effect relationship to speed up development of crop growing methods and the statistical methods at Bell Laboratories is by the Demeans Edward and Juran by means of the control chart developed by these two authors by means of the statistical quality control. Then if you see the history of quality methodology, the quality awareness in US manufacturing industry during 1980s, it is the total quality management quality control stated to be used as a manageable tool and international standard organization that is ISO 9000 series of standard in 1980s Western Europe began to use the interest increasing US industries in 1990s became widely accepted today necessarily requirement to worldwide distribution of product and a significant competitive advantage. So these are the some of the histories of quality methodology. So we will sum up the gradual transition of quality history and to defining its methodology. First of all, we will have to study the statistical quality control. Then we will assure that the quality assurance to the customer. And by taking these two steps, the final step is the quality management. After implementing quality assurance cell in the organization, we will have to generate the quality management continuously and throughout the year by year. So next point is the Demeans 14 principle. There are 14 points explained by the Demeans, and from this 14 point, if we implement this 14 point in any organization, so that organization will be produce the quality product and satisfy the customers for the fitness to purpose to use. So first point, the Demeans explain create consistent of purposes. So the define the problems of today and the future, allocate resources for long-term planning. So create the consistency of purpose. This is the first point explained by the Demis. Adopt a new philosophy. This is the second point. Keys dependence on inspection for quality. This is the third. And protective awarding of business based on price alone. Improve every process constantly and that is can be forever by the Demins explained in his fifth point. Then sixth point, institute training. We have to build management institute training to the workers. Then seventh point, adopt and institute leadership to the removing barriers to pride workmanship. The Demins explained in his seventh point. In eighth point, drive out fear, the common denominator of fear of the workers, that is performance appraisal, management by fear or numbers, that has to be minimized. in his 8th point. Ninth point, break barriers between staff areas. And in his 10th point, eliminate slogans and targets. In his 11th point, eliminate numerical quotes. And the in 12th point, remove barriers that rob pride of workmanship. Then in the next point, institute progress program for education and self-improvement. And his last point, put everybody in the company to work for this transformation. So this is the Demeans 14 point as he explained.